I know I haven't filmed now in a hot minute, so I thought that it was the perfect time to come back by doing a Trader Joe's fall haul. I just went to Trader Joe's and of course went grocery shopping, but I also bought all things pumpkin, fall, butternut squash vibes, and I want to show you everything that I got. It literally took everything in me to not buy like the entire store. I actually was talking to another customer in there when we both were contemplating buying the pumpkin gluten-free bread, and we both did not get it because we had an entire cart filled already of pumpkin. And if you keep watching towards the middle to the end of this video, I'm going to make my absolute favorite pumpkin dip. So to start off, I have the pumpkin cranberry crisps, and these crackers are my absolute favorite. Normally I have the rosemary kind that's in the purple box, but of course I had to get the pumpkin cranberry ones because fall. And I also love craisins, so like pumpkin cranberry is gonna be delish. Okay, I don't plan on trying every single thing that I have, but since this is just a cracker, I'm gonna try it. I think I had these last fall, but whatever. Aside from peanut butter, I think pumpkin is my favorite flavor. These are delicious if you're a pumpkin fan or you just like these crackers of all the other flavors. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, my next thing that I got, I'm not sure if it's seasonal. It might be, I've never seen it, but I could be wrong. I really wanted the butternut squash ravioli triangles, but they were out of stock, so I got sweet corn, burrata, and basil ravioli. Not sure if this is seasonal or not, but I'm definitely excited to try it because I love the raviolis. My dad and I actually always have the goat cheese and sun-dried tomato ravioli, so I also have that. So I figured I'd give this one a try. Okay, the next is a favorite of mine. I actually had some this morning already, but it is pumpkin cream cheese. Pumpkin cream cheese is literally one of my favorite things in the whole entire world. Like, cream cheese itself, delish, but pumpkin cream cheese is just so good, and I got the best thing to put it on, pumpkin waffles. So I know for breakfast tomorrow I will definitely be having a pumpkin waffle with pumpkin cream cheese on it because fall. So I recently discovered the OES butternut squash soup, so I am super excited to try this one from Trader Joe's because it sounds even more delish. So this one is autumnal harvest soup, which is a creamy tomato-based soup with pumpkin and butternut squash. And when I ate the other one, I put some of the Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi inside and made my own little soup. Instead of like noodles, I used that. And I'm so excited to try it with this kind. Okay, obviously everyone knows all of Trader Joe's cauliflower products, including their gnocchi, but also their cauliflower rice. So when I found this, I had to get it. It is rice, cauliflower, and butternut squash risotto, which is a riceless twist on the classic dish. And I actually got sweet apple chicken sausage from Trader Joe's as well that I'm gonna make some delish dish with. Okay, the next thing is pretty basic, but I had to get it anyway because it's pumpkin, and I got a non-fat Greek yogurt in pumpkin. And either for breakfast or a snack, I've been having a yogurt with fruit and some granola, and I just thought that I would love this, so of course I had to get one. Okay, this next thing I got, I know I had last year, and they're absolutely delicious, and it is the pumpkin tortilla chips. Look, admire. They are crafted with simple ingredients, including pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And since it's been a whole year, I obviously have to try one on camera. It obviously just tastes like a tortilla chip with a hint of pumpkin, and pumpkin makes everything better, so 10 out of 10 recommend. So the next thing that I bought is a treat I got from my dad because these are his absolute favorite, apple cider donuts. Obviously, I usually get these when I'm apple picking or pumpkin picking, and they're fresh and warm, but Trader Joe's doesn't disappoint, so I had to get these for him. And honestly, I feel like I should cut into one and have a little bite to taste for you guys. So I feel like if I were to eat these, I would heat them up a little bit in the microwave, but I just cut a little nibble, so. As I assumed, Trader Joe's does not disappoint. These are delicious. Okay, so lastly, I got some organic canned pumpkin because I'm going to make my favorite pumpkin dip. And I'm definitely not someone who loves to cook or bake, and this pumpkin dip is perfect because it only has 6 ingredients. So for my pumpkin dip recipe, you will need canned pumpkin, vanilla non-fat Greek yogurt, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, maple syrup, and peanut butter. First is 1/2 cup of pumpkin. Next is half a cup of non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt. Next is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Next is 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Next is 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon. And lastly, 1/4 tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice. And now we mix. And voila, all done. It looks so yummy. I'm so excited that it's pumpkin season again and now I can make this dip whenever I want. And I'm using Trader Joe's pumpkin tortilla chips to taste it. These two are like a match made in heaven. It's delish. And I know that tonight my mom and I will have this as a dessert with some sliced apples to make it a little bit more healthy, because I know that I can eat this bag of pumpkin tortilla chips in definitely one sitting. And that is all today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating it, because as I said before, fall and all things pumpkin is literally my favorite thing in the entire world, and I'm so happy that it is finally pumpkin season. So if you liked this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it out to your friends and family who would love this Trader Joe's fall haul. I hope to film some more videos for you guys because I know it's been so long, so I really hope to see you again soon. Bye!